Tired of staring at charts all day? Let's unlock the secrets of automated trading in Pocket Option and potentially make your money work for you, even while you sleep. First, navigate to the Marketplace or Bots section within your Pocket Option platform. This is usually located in the sidebar menu. Click on it to access available trading bots. Here, you'll find a variety of bots. Take your time to browse and compare their features, user ratings, and stated strategies. Research is key. Choose a bot that aligns with your trading style and risk tolerance. Once you've selected a bot, carefully review its description. Pay close attention to parameters like win rate, risk level, recommended capital, and the assets it's designed to trade. Now comes the crucial part: configuration. Adjust the bot's settings to match your risk management strategy. Set your trade amount, stop loss levels, and take profit targets. If the bot uses a martingale system, understand the risks involved before activating it. Before going live, always backtest the bot. Use the platform's backtesting tools to analyze its historical performance on past data. This gives you an idea of its potential profitability and helps you fine-tune your settings. After backtesting and feeling confident, activate the bot. Monitor its performance closely for the first few days and make adjustments as needed. Remember, automated trading isn't a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Continuous monitoring is essential.